it's your girl Anora, and I am back with another cooking video, guys, in the kitchen. Like when you see me in the kitchen, you know Anora is there for her stomach. So I'm about to look for something to eat today. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video to watch a video. I really do appreciate you that click on this video to watch. And so guys, for today I am bringing this Cameroon special dish. We call it Ndole and Plantain. Like, wow. And thank you the new and old subscribers for tuning into my channel. I do really appreciate each and every one of you out there, because without you there is no Anora. So I thank you so very much for all your love, support, loyalty on this channel. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, you that's watching right now, let's just jump right into our freaking video. Just go in and light up my gas. My pot here. As you can see here in this pot, I got me some granite. I got some granite in this pot. When the granite has not been blended, that's how it's looking like. I hope you guys can see it from there. That's how it is. Why I put it in my blender and I blend everything up, and I just pour it in my pot. And now this is the pot on the fire. So in this process now, I'll just go in now with water. So I will put water inside here and let it cook, and I will cover the pot. So guys, from this process, while you're cooking your granite, you need to be stirring it, because this can easily get burned from under. So you need to keep stirring. You can close your pot, but make sure every after 2-3 minutes you stir it. So in this granite, I still have nothing, no spice, nothing yet. I'm just cooking the granite. So you have to cook the granite for at least 15 minutes to get it well cooked. So as I've seen, my granite is getting brown and all the rest, I'll just go in with some of my spices. Here in this bowl, I got me some pepper, garlic, and onion. So I'll just pour it in here. So I'll just continue with my stirring, let it cook for more 5 minutes, and I'm done. Okay guys, from this level now, I think my granite is ready. You can see some oil just popping out alone. And for my ndole, I always love to spice my granite, you know, put all my ingredients, like put all my spices and all the rest inside the granite. I have not added any oil on this granite. Wow, it's really producing a lot of oil now. So I'll just go in now with my cubes. So you guys can see this pot here. I just seasoned my meat and fish and all the rest, getting ready to pour it in here. And I'll go in with my salt. So I'll just go in now and test. Wow, it's okay. Just go in now from this. Go in now with my bitter leaf. We call it bitter leaf in Cameroon. I don't know how I can explain, but it's something like it's a vegetable. So we call it bitter leaf because it's kind of bitter. When you watch it, it becomes normal. So we call it bitter leaf for all those who don't know it. So I'm just taking it bit by bit. Go ahead and mix it up. So guys, you just go in and light up your gas. Light up my gas, and I pour in oil in my plate. Not quite much, okay? Just no. And from the other side, you can see the ndole doing its own thing, just cooking out. So you can see my oil is hot. I'll just go in and pour in my onion and turn off my gas. That's it. About your oil, you know, we cook this without oil, so you need to put in oil in your food, okay? So I'll just let it cook up a little bit. And this is white onion I use. I just chop it up. Now I will pour it now in my ndole. So I'll just go in and mix this up. Do not mind the oil, it's just on top. That's why it's looking this much, okay? When we mix it up, it's not gonna be like this. So guys, I'm just mixing it up, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. If you watch right up to this moment, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you for taking out time to watch my video, and I hope you love the recipe. If you want to be seeing more of this kind of video, just let Anora know and I will bring it up to you. What kind of meal do you want to see next? Let me know. Your girl is good with the kitchen, okay? I know it's not just good with beauty stuff, okay? I'm also good in the kitchen, so that's one thing you should know, because I love me some food. If you're that girl who loves some food, you should know how to cook your own meal. So thank you guys so very much for watching. From this level, I think I am done with the cooking. I just turn off my gas cooker and I cover up my pots and I go in with my plantain. Yeah, so guys, when I'm done with the ndole, I will just go in now with my plantain and peel it off. I am that girl who always love to eat ndole with ripe plantain, okay? But you can eat ndole with so many different kind of. You can eat ndole with cocoyams, you can eat ndole with Irish potatoes, you can eat ndole with ndole can go with absolutely everything, even ndole and gari. Some people eat ndole and gari, but I always eat my ndole with ripe plantains. So I'm just going with some water and just wash it up and I put it on my gas cooker. And yeah, so my plantain now is on the fryer. I'll just let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Let it cook for 10 minutes and you're done with the day. So my plantain has been cooking for 10 minutes and I think it's ready, and I'm gonna turn off my gas. I'll just drain the excess water. Oops, my sweet plantain, it's ready. It's now time to serve myself, you know. I'm home alone, so I live alone. Home alone, live alone. So it's time for me to go in now and serve myself. Time to eat Anora. So we'll go in with... Oops, Anora is going now for Ndole. Like, oh my good God. You can join me if you're closer. You are much welcome to my home. So thank you so very much for watching. I love you all so very much. Without you, there is no Anora. So this is my plate. As you can see, my plate is full. It's full. I'm getting ready now to eat this food, to eat this yummy, like to have this food. So thank you so very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. That is soonest. Until then, bye and I love you. Peace out. Always remember to drink you some water. Mind you your own business.